Hi, I'm Ann Matuzak with Pixology, and welcome back to our series on creating your family photo estate. If you missed our intro video, be sure and go back to YouTube, subscribe to our channel, and you can watch it there. It's not essential that you see it first, but it does help put everything in perspective on what we're going to be doing for the next several lessons. So we are working off of our book, Creating Your Family Photo Estate. And today we're going to talk about what it looks like to get started. And it's a really simple process that is completely overwhelming to most people. We want you to bring it all together. What does that mean? We want you to set up a table or whatever you have available, but a table is a good choice. In a corner of a room, maybe your photo estate will take an entire room. We've had some of those as well. But find a place. And this is going to be the home that we're going to start working from. On that table, you are going to bring everything together that we talked about in the definition of a photo estate. That means you're going to bring in your photos. Well, that's easy. Your photos may be in albums. They may be in boxes. They may be in bags, bins, under your bed, in a closet, pretty much anywhere in your house. So right now we're talking about your printed photos. We'll talk about digital stuff later. That's a whole nother category. But get your photos together. A few places you might not have thought about. Do you have framed pictures that are the only copy you have of something? Do you have really old pictures that you have hidden in the basement or in the attic that you need to get back out again? You also probably have photos in those Christmas cards. So make sure you bring those into the collection as well. So we're stacking up photos, albums, all of those pieces. You probably have or have inherited some film or video as well. Film can be something that looks like this, where it's on a reel and it's actual film that goes into a projector. Film may also be VHS tapes, VHS-Cs, the little ones, 8mm tapes. There's a vast variety of technology over the years, so start stacking those up as well. You may also come across slides. Again, maybe yours, maybe inherited, and they may come in little boxes, nice and neat, little cubes, or giant carousels that can hold 80 to 140 just in one round. All of it. Keep going down through the list. In fact, we actually have on the Pixology website a sheet that you can download if you need help, and it's called Your Photo Inventory. And it helps you think about all those places and dig them all out. So if you're alone, here's your exercise. You're going to get those steps in, bringing it all together. If you've got kids at home and you want to enlist their help, this is a great way to keep them busy on a treasure hunt. This is your story that you're bringing to one place. Along with all of these photo slides, negatives, film and video, you may also have some really important treasured documents. So if you are blessed to have the copy of Grandpa's confirmation document, or maybe you have a beautiful ornate wedding certificate, those come in too. These documents are part of what tells your story. The final category, which can be a mess of chaos in itself, would be memorabilia. If you have children, you may have been one of those moms that saved everything, every piece of artwork, every piece of homework, all of the things that you thought were so uniquely special. Now, we're going to talk about how to deal with them later, but right now, this is the bring it together. So some of you at this point are going, well, one table is definitely not going to be enough. And we understand that. So we're going to continue to take you through the process step by step. So for today, your job is to start that process. Bring it together. And we look forward to talking to you on that next step. So, now that we've got it all pulled together, be sure and tune in for our next video on how we start to get some order out of this chaos. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll be back to help you create your family photo estate. I'd wave, but you know,